Usibatanya hoteli bagali ugu perform chinga kibaka gergo kwenye kirania asense mo area ya Nakuru. Nigo arorokanaga komochia abarimu ase okorwari baguche asabantu abao. Nabo gose gotumeka aborokigwa bobe ase okorwa amangana asiasa. Boigo abarimu abuni banyako bakokana egekorekyo. Nabo asense mo yaye umwaziri buburendi umwaziri bw'isemi aiga Kenya nigo anyara kwabaka gukwanira engane yuna goteba ekoti order nigo yanyate kwabage kurwa libaga aborokiwa obochi kunya kwabago perform ase gose aso kurika kuri ogotangani kwanyate kwabago kuri kwa nabo gotari okukwa kabiri kwanyate kwabako kolerwa amonchorerio.
Ndio imekuwa trending mpaka leo. Na nataka niseme, najua sometimes tunataka kuongea communicate through kids, which is not good. Wacha tuwache politics for politicians, wacha tuweke watoto wakue kwa nini. The reason as to I'm saying this, Aya, okay, sawa sawa. So tuwache wafanye politics. Aya, sawa sawa. So mimi ninaongea kama mzazi. Na mimi kama mzazi niliona ya kuwa ikukuwa kitu nzuri kwa sababu tulikuwa tunaweka watoto wetu kwa kitu ambayo hawako ndani. We can pass our message even through university students. Bado wanaweza enda kufanya acting na watapass the message ile ambayo mungependa ikuwe passed.
I need to go back to my statement. The content of the play was altered a lot. That's how when they went to court, the court allowed them to present the original, not the altered. Please read the court order. There's a paragraph where it says the students are allowed to present their original or the national.
Boy kokuru ase ensemo